This right here should be illegal. There's a lot of things you shouldn't put down your drain, and this is one of them. Flushable wipes. Flushable. Even has plumber approved, whatever that means. Trust me, the only plumbers who approve of this are the ones who want to make money off of you. And on the front it says, breaks down like toilet paper. Well, let's put it to the test. So let's just try it out, right? Take a little piece out. Let's see how it goes. Oh, it got wet. Let's find out. After literally getting stuck, it's still in one piece. Let's try the equivalent, right? Okay, well, we'll even pull off more. We'll pull off a pretty hefty chunk right here. Let's get it in our water, nice and wet. Who'da thunk?